老板，恭喜发财，恭喜发财！
恭喜发财！哎，so Lionel, what's for lunch?
红包嘞？
哎呀，wait lah, you cook,
first lah.
you cook, then I give you 红包. So tell me, what you gonna cook today?
Okay, today I'm gonna make my very famous Oni. Since it's the 8th day of Chinese New Year and it's a very hot day, I'm gonna make this very hot dish. Here is Oni. O is yam. I'm actually going to steam my yams and my pumpkin. Just half of this. The yam is definitely the main actor lah, 男主角. Okay?
Okay.
So this goes in. Okay. Wow, amazing. 25 minutes. Oh, sorry. I've got some pandan leaf here. 100 grams of sugar, but you can adjust to taste lah. Okay, for those who are diabetic or cannot take sugar, I suggest you refrain from eating this.
So there's no joy in eating oni when it's not sweet.
Correct. I'm going to add in 100 ml of water. I'll make it a very nice sugar syrup.
Okay.
Okay. The pandan leaf will shoot the flavor out into the.
Shoot the flavor out.
出味道啊，出味道啊，出味道 out the flavor.
这有醋味道是 shoot 的。
Correct 嘛 So now I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Now I'm just gonna melt the sugar lah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so you see it's melted, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave this one inside, right? See?
Okay.
Then now I'm gonna throw my ginkgo nut inside. Why? Because I want the ginkgo nut to absorb the taste and the smell of the sugar syrup. And this is gonna sit inside for until this is done. My yams on my hand is already soft already. So I'm gonna mash this. This is my handy potato masher. I'm just gonna mash it up. Okay, real good. Okay, mash.
So does it be very smooth?
Better lah. Sun ma, sun lah. Okay, I'm gonna wash this one. I want to mash my pumpkin. Pumpkin also must mash, okay? Real Oni have no coconut milk one.
Okay.
And if any other Teochew restaurant they tell you say that Oni must serve coconut milk you can go screw them. The original one, right, uses pork lard.
Okay.
This is pork lard.
What else do you put inside?
There's
I thought
only
they use shallot
and
oil.
shallot oil. Correct, they use both. But today I change a bit. I add the shallot oil into my pork lard.
So,
Yeah, so I'm gonna put this amount. Actually, they use a lot of pork lard. But you don't put in this one. Yeah, you only use the oil. Flavor, bro, flavor. So now it's hot, right?
Okay.
I'm just gonna put this one in.
So must fry lah.
It's something like stir fry,
Okay.
but it's just like emulsify. Today I'm going to add in the sugar syrup because I soak my ginkgo nut, like your ginkgo leaf, inside the sugar syrup, like mixed together very well. I can see, right? Can see.
Okay.
And now, I'll add my sugar.
Enough ah?
Not
Fry
enough
it-
lah, must.
Fry until like that ah?
Yeah, you don't want it too what? It's very fragrant already, what?
Okay.
You mix the oil, everything. So now this is where the water comes in. You can see. So this is where you make it very, very smooth.
Okay.
Oni must be very sweet, very oily. It really, you know, when every time they serve to you in the hotel, there's always one layer of pork oil. That
Where
is
got? I don't remember. Then where got
because
pork oil?
we haven't been to a real Teochew restaurant here. I tell you. Typical, very typical Chinese usually serve it. Teochew usually serve with this kind of bowl. Right?
Okay.
Standard.
So now we are serving desserts first, right?
Correct. Now we just do the dessert first. I love yam a lot, okay? I love yam. I cannot live without yam. It's so yummy. Pumpkin. Chinese love go. I also like go lah. Ginkgo nut. It's better eaten cold lah. Sometimes eat cold, sometimes eat hot. But
Really? I like to eat this warm.
my famous Oni.
Your famous oni
Of
ah?
course, remember we did it in provisions?
So it's
Yeah, so it's
my
my
one or
favorite.
your one?
Same lah. There you have it. My famous Oni. So simple.
So simple.
Wishing everyone a happy Chinese New Year. 新家注意，老板。
Okay lah. Thank you for your orange.
No problem.
Ong Pao. Take.
Voila!
Voila!
Subscribe to Forecast for more of these fucking good videos. Enjoy.
Thank you, Lionel.
No problem.